This is an 11-year-old Mercedes and its paint is completely trashed. First, we'll start off by rinsing off the vehicle and applying snow foam to break down any loose dirt and peel it off before the hand wash. Make sure to clean your door jambs as they're visible every time you get in and out of the vehicle. This is the chemical decontamination process. This is the physical decontamination process. This is a perfect example of what a one-step paint correction can do for your paint. I'll do this on every painted surface on the vehicle. I'll then clean the glass with a waffle weave towel, leaving them streak-free, and apply a 6 to 8 month wax for better protection against the elements. Watch my full YouTube video where I explain the entire paint correction process as I go along.